And I am Shelby. Welcome to the channel.
What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to another video. So I decided that I want to have like a come to the gym with me type of week. It is now 11:31 and I'm deciding to go to the gym at 12 today. So the thing with me is I don't go to the gym the same time every day because people be watching me, people be stalking me. So I have to switch it up. This minute I'm going in the morning, this minute I'm going in the evening. Today I might be going, tomorrow I might not be going, the next day I might also not be going, and the next day I might go. Y'all will just never know. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make some breakfast now, or probably just make my shake. I'm going to be using my mass gainer, which I will show you guys in a second. I don't even know if I'm going to follow through with this video, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Room on clean, just ignore that. Ignore that. So yeah, let me go put my fit on and let's head downstairs and see if we're gonna eat or if we're gonna drink.
Crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris?
Well, this is my, as you can see, that's how much I've had so far. My oats, something like my oats, be a wee blam, magatan, God knows what else in the oats, so I threw away. This is just peanuts, some bananas, protein powder, and water. I'm not really feeling it today because normally I use my oats, I use more bananas, I use Lasco, but this is just not giving. But yeah, I'm late and I'm gonna call my cab and go to the gym now. That smoothie was not very fulfilling to me, but whatever. I really did not like it. I don't know, just not feel it. My cab is 5 minutes away, so I'm just hurrying up to pack my bag. I bought these. So they're my new gloves because when I'm lifting those weights, they might hurt my hand, girl. I can't do it no more. They're a little bit bigger than my hand, but I just need to tighten the wrist part and I'm good to go. I'm just gonna get my water bottle and put on my shoes and go brush my teeth. I don't know, brushing my teeth is just always the last thing I do before I leave to go somewhere. So I'm gonna do that and yeah, see you at the gym for real this time. People, can you believe I just did 15 leg presses on this goddamn machine and it never done.
Hey, no lucky back. Next one.
So here's the thing, it is now Wednesday. I think the last time I picked you guys up was on Monday. It's currently raining, so that's why you're hearing that in the background. I didn't finish what I said I was going to do because one, I didn't go to the gym yesterday. I didn't go today either. Hopefully I go tomorrow, but may I explain why. So what had happened was yesterday I did wake up on time. I did have my plan to go, etc, etc, but I decided to comb this young man's hair, and by the time I was finished, I knew that by the time I get ready, it would be too late to get to the gym because my trainer leaves at a certain time. You know, I just said, you know what, I'm not even gonna try to rush myself or force myself to go. Plus me kind of in a good salty mood. Then I had a very long day yesterday. Actually, I was on the road all day, and then I came home around after 8, almost 9, and I went to bed probably like 10:30, to be very honest. And then I woke up almost 12 a.m. I got a phone call, woke up, and I was up until almost 4 a.m. I was bawling. I was having a whole mental breakdown, anxiety attack, anything, you name it, I had it. And like in here, I put the pillow over my head, and I was going through it. Okay, I was going through it. Please tell me why after I calmed down a little and I said I was holding in my pee from before I went to sleep. Like at the time I never think I didn't want to pee, but then, you know, the more I was up, I was like, okay, I need to go pee, and I'm not going to hold this in until I'm on. That's unhealthy. Tell me why I go pee, and right as when I'm done, my look, and mind you, you know, I was like, that's weird. It felt like probably it was discharge or something. But when I look, my blood, and I'm like, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. So, yeah. That would explain the hollering and the bawling and the cussing and the fighting and the partial insomnia, because my period, I was literally PMSing. And the thing is, I don't know if you've been really keeping up, but for the past couple months my period has been always late. It has become irregular. I don't know what the hell is happening, but I used to have a 28-day cycle, 31 days maximum. Like it was spot on every single month, until all of a sudden I start seeing 41 days, 45 days, 43 days. Last one was 50-some days. We got a whole of July without a period. So for this period to actually come within 30 days, it was very shocking to me. And the symptoms that I normally have right before my period starts, I didn't have it because I was checking, and I'm like, I don't think it's gonna come yet. So for it to come was a bit of a shock to me. It was a bit of a shock. There's that. I'm goddamn miserable and I'm in pain. Luckily I'm gonna take a pill this morning or whatever. But yeah, that's the position, people. That's the position. Now I am cleaning up my laptop. This is what it looks like. So this is what she looks like. It's a simple Acer. Over here, so I'm literally have to tape she up because she feel like she did want to break off over here, so. And I'm not buying a new laptop. I'm not buying no lid for it. I ain't doing it. If I got to tape it up, I'm going to tape it up. But actually, I'm actually saving to buy a new laptop. I want a MacBook this time. I'm finally going to give up on PCs. I think I need a MacBook now. I decided to subscribe to, well, I decided to pay for this subscription that lets me get some plugins or some cool effects that I can use in my videos. So you know, the editing I got fat up. I'm just experimenting and trying to do some work right now. So yeah, maybe we might put on one side and show how I create an intro. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll update you guys a little bit later because that's missing. I'm in pain. Yeah. So here's the tea. My laptop is slow as hell, so sometimes I can't see the mistakes or I can't see the flaws because it's literally like freezing. As you can see, like Watch out. I can't even. There we have it. There we have it. It's literally frozen. So what I do is export what I have so far and send it to my phone, especially because my laptop doesn't show the colors correctly. So I have to like color check on my phone. So this is what it's looking like so far. Wait, back! Need y'all to see that. There we go. See, that was too early. Phone needs to come up earlier. Feel like I want to change the Instagram. And that's where I'm gonna put the Snapchat and all that stuff. But yeah, the first mistake was this. The Sincerely Sab should not be showing just yet. It should be showing as soon as the search bar goes down. That's when it's supposed to pop up. And then the next mistake was the phone took way too long to come up. So yeah, this is what I have to do because my laptop is no freaking good. And this, she chose this font, but I'm not sure if I like it. I'm gonna show it to her anyways, and if she likes it, I'm gonna let it stay, because at the end of the day, I don't really want me like still, but I'm not loving that. I'm going to see if I can tweak it somehow. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess I'll show you guys when it's done, because this is a long process because my laptop is slow. So yeah. The swans are in the ocean. Time for the birthday speech. Good time for the birthday speech.
I'm the actual vlogger over here.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's giving I want to fight.
Oh my god, the fishies are fighting!
I want some girl. Confessional time, miss.
I don't know what to say. I came here to this villa for me. It's my birthday. And bitches are already trying to make it about them.
She's already gonna fight.
Trying to make it about them. It's my weekend. It's me. Welcome to the Bad Girls Club. Bad Girls.
Bad girls.
Yeah.
I said it.
Live the life you wish you had the sugar spice. Bad girls. Don't you wish you could rock with us?
Enter the Bad Girls Club. Hey.
Not coming out. What should I try? What should I try?
Doug. Get up. Get up.
Whoa.
No, Gabriella.
Who did that?
No, we gotta run her. We gotta run her. She's a runner. She's a track star.
What happened? What's going on? What happened? Why are you running? What happened?
I don't know, but like one of the girls already wanna sleep. It's giving I wanna fight. Because while they're sleeping,
Why the fuck are you?
I'm gonna wake her up.
Wake her ass up. Wake her ass up.
In her
Face.
Let's go.
Oh my god, security! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god, the fishes are fighting! So it's literally like day one and bitches already wanna fight. It's crazy. There's too much drama. There's too much shit going on in this house. We just got to the villa. They're already up. No, I'm not on the ratchet shit. I'm not on it. Why y'all trying to fight? Oh my god. Bitches jumping bitches in bed? That's what we doing now? I wish a bitch would though. Run up on me and you gonna find out. You gonna find out.
Damn. The zombies are out. Guys, I finally come out the here. I finally come out the here. This one talk to no. Okay.
No, you're not
At Mystic Mountain. As they said, we're at Mystic Mountain, and guess a take me like I don't think I understand right now. Oh, I just want unalive. I genuinely just want unalive. In other news, we finally come out here. I think it lost a little bit of length, but it is what it is. Oh, this is the fit. Nothing too crazy, but yeah.
Like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make.
Morning, morning. Oh, good afternoon, ladies.
I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. That it becomes so true. There ain't no
Finally, guys. Wow, I haven't been here in 12 years. This life. If them ever see me doing this, you see, I gotta take down my foot. I should be holding it with my hands, guys. But I'm damn tired. This is going so slow. I'm gonna do ziplining. That seems more fun. Going so far. Why am I going so far? Yo, dog, these people are so extra, bro. No! Yeah!
Shelby!
Hey! Jesus! Wow. Oh God. God damn. God. So. No. Wow. Come on. Wow. Well, that's some shit. Wow. Wow. You okay? No one will again. So done. It was a very long day.
I don't think I'm going to do that zipline thing ever again.
Yeah, no.
But I will do it again, just not here.
Yeah. People, I thought it was literally just one straight ride.
But zipline with.
Yeah, too much stuff. We did like 5.
We had to wait on like 100 people.
And then this one group Bad to bad. Baba Clark, Julie.
We have another one.
What about it?
After everyone, them ask you for another one.
Okay, but why do I take so much people? You should have been left.
Yeah,
You should have left
your ass.
You should have left your ass. You never area complain like that. Carry us up and go out.
Carry us up and go vex.
Carry us have to go vex. So,
have some
decorum, man.
Girl, you can't come everywhere.
You come get up the people in place.
And if I say I come somewhere decent, don't do that. Act like you used to think.
Act like a big woman.
Act like a big woman.
Act like a big woman.
Act like I used to think. And if you're not used to it, go on like I used to.
No, fake it till I make it, mama.
Yeah. And if you're frightened, keep it to yourself.
Just
hold it.
yeah.
Hold it, Virginia.
Hold it. We're almost there. We're almost there. Focus now. Right. Let me tell you also that as soon as we get back to the villa, this way, taking it off. Sangar. Good morning. It's Sunday. I've been here since Friday. I haven't gotten to vlog much. I wanted to vlog so much more yesterday with my camera at Mystic Mountain, but we didn't really get I didn't really get to do that because on the bobsled we had to leave our bags, and the zip line we also had to leave our bags. So I didn't want to have my camera in my hand and it got dropped or something. Like no. I would say that if you're going to Mystic Mountain, please expect the zip line to be like 2 hours. It was so annoying. It was so annoying, dog. It was so annoying. And I could have brought my phone. And the reason why I didn't bring my phone because I thought it was just like one long straight ride. But it wasn't. It was like 5 small rides. And there was one long-ish one. And that was the most exciting one. But it was like the 3rd one. So like by the time we reached that one, I was already over it. I feel like every time I come on this camera, y'all be seeing a little peach fuzz on my arms, and I hate that for me because it looks like I don't be shaving my arms. When I do, they just grow back in 2 business days. Can't help it. And I'm not gonna be going over it every single day for please nobody. So we'll just keep the camera up here. Yeah, I took my wig off, as you can see. I don't feel like I like my hair anymore. The color is fine, but it's not slicking down. Maybe I am neglecting it, or maybe I'm not putting enough mousse. My mousse done. So maybe that's the case. Maybe it's too long. I don't know what the case is, but I'm changing the color. We're gonna do a different color soon. I just need to decide. And if I don't decide on another color, I'm going back black until I figure it out because I'm just not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I've been trying to be up under my wigs. I don't be going anywhere. And I don't like that because why am I not wearing my real hair? Yeah, no. I'm waiting for these bitches. Oh, they're going in. I'm waiting for them to come down, but if they don't come down, I'm going in myself. The reason why I haven't gone in yet is because the maintenance guy was cleaning the pool. So this is the pool. Yeah, this is the pool. That's the view. Last night I came down here briefly, and when I tell you God just take a picture like out of the sea, so like the sky was lighting up orange. There was so much lightning. I wonder which part of the world or which part of Jamaica get them thunderstorm there because it was just so much. I'm out here drinking my Ensure. Well, I don't know. And I think we're leaving. Well, we are leaving today. I just don't know what time it's, but honestly, I can't wait. I'm gonna go home. I'm going to my bed. One thing about me, when I time to go home, I time to go home.
One thing about me, when I'm ready for go home, I'm ready for go home. Murder. Me not like stay upon roadside, I'm not sell nothing. To me not home like.
I hear a plane, but I can't see it. Oh, it's only can't go see it, and I'm not gonna zoom in. Let me see if I can catch it. Let me see if I can catch it. There it is. It's It's literally right there, but yeah, it's kind of too far.
I won't change by the levels. Ooh, flowers, flowers. Class up in the sky.
They're in the light.
Living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the levels. Ooh, flowers, flowers. Yellow, golden diamond rings. All them things don't mean a thing. Chaperones and limousines. Shopping for expensive. Magazines and bougie scenes.
Well, guys, that's the end. We leaving now. My battery's dying, so whatever catch.